Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Aniket Vishwakarma, and today in this video we'll be doing unboxing and review of USB cable from Boat. So as you can see from the box, it is written rugged USB cable. So this is very strong, guys, I must say, really. And it comes with 2 years of warranty, and this has cost me around 100 rupees in the Amazon sale, but the like a regular MRP which they provide is around 250 rupees in the normal time and all. So if you want to buy this product, you can just check out my description over there. I've given the links over there to buy. So let's start the unboxing now, guys. So just let me open from here. Now they have introduced new packaging, guys, this Boat people. So previously it was some different packaging, so it is good now. So we get some card, guys. It says 2 years warranty. So if anything happens in this 2 years, you can just claim the warranty and get a new one, guys. So as you can see, nothing else in the box. Let me keep it aside. And in this thing we get cable, as you can see. Okay, nice packaging, guys. So as you can see, this is a cable, and it is 1.5 meters long, I guess. Yes. So as you can see, this is 1.5 meters long, guys. Just let me show you a little bit. So as you can see, guys, it is 1.5 meters long. It's very good, guys, and it feels really so good and premium because the quality is really good, guys. And let us look at the USB and all. So as you can see, it is a very good quality, guys, as you can see. So this should last really long, guys. So I had bought this one. And let us look at the micro USB cable also. So over here you get around one Boat branding, guys, as you can see. And from this way, as you can see, just let me focus and show you. Yeah, guys, so it is like this. And quality of the cable is really good, guys. So this is rugged, so you can use rough and tough. So it's really good, as you can see. Yeah, so this quality of this cable is really good, guys. So don't say it is bad and all, it's really good. So just let me test if it is working or not first. So let me do now. So guys, I have bought one power bank to just test it out. So first let me connect this over here. Okay, this is connected, and the micro USB cable will go to the phone. So let us test it out if it is working or no. Okay, should I press? Yeah, now it is working. Yeah, as you can see, that charging symbol is coming here. So it is working, guys. Nothing. So it is good. It is working. So in my opinion, this cable is really good, guys, because this can go for really long years. So if you want a very good reliable cable, you can just check out this Boat USB cable, and it's really good, guys. It is rugged and you can use like rough and tough. And also it is very good in the length also, as you can see. It is 1.5 meter long, and I like it. It's better than other quality cables and all from other brand and all. So this brand is really good, guys, this Boat company, this USB cable. So if you want to just check out this product, you can just check out from the links which are given in the description, so you can just buy it out from there. So this was all for the video, guys. If you like the video, then please do like the video and also do subscribe the channel. So this is all for the video, guys. Take care and bye bye.